JM Kitchen and Bath, you get so much more for your money than working with one of the big boxes. We have better choices on cabinetry because we specialize in making them, getting the best value and getting the best cabinetry that's going. But the biggest part is the designer. So you get the difference between someone with a doctorate in kitchen design versus someone that is just getting into it at the beginning. But we also have relationships with all the trades that go around that pull up the parts that we don't do. And we have great consistent contractors, designers, plumbers, electricians, everybody that we need to make this job come together. One of the things that sets us apart from other places is they will throw a lowball offer at you to get you hooked in to go down their trail. We like to give you realistic numbers that we expect it to be. I even tell them it's probably going to be higher estimate than what we're going to have in reality, because I'd rather lose you at the beginning than keep pounding you with change orders for things that are just exactly what you had told us the first time around. The big box is where beginning kitchen designers get started. At JM, all of our designers have a lot of years of experience, expertise, and guidance that can help you avoid so many pitfalls. There's so many decisions to make, and if you have an experienced kitchen designer like you get at JM, you get really amazing kitchens. We know that this is not a cheap thing that you're going into. Remodeling your kitchen, remodeling your master bath, it's a big expense, but it's an investment into yourself and into your future.